This section is about forks. Remember that a fork is a copy of a project repository. And today you will finally learn how to fork a project, clone the repo from the fork, push updates to the fork, create a merge request to the main repo. Let's dive in. Look at this example. Jack wants to contribute to the open source project developed by Anne. However, he doesn't have permission to push his changes directly to the project repository. Can the forking workflow help? Yes. In the forking workflow, Jack can contribute to Anne's open source project even if he doesn't have direct push permissions to the project repository. Here's how it works. First, fork the repository. Jack can start by forking Anne's repository on the Git hosting platform, such as GitHub. This will create a copy of the repository under Jack's account. Second, clone the forked repository. Jack can clone the forked repository to his local machine using the git-clone command. This will create a local copy of the repository that he can work on. After that, Jack can make changes and push his changes to his forked repository using the git push command. Finally, Jack creates a merge request. Another name is pull request. On the Git hosting platform, Jack can create a pull request from his forked repository to Anne's original repository. This notifies Anne of the changes he wants to contribute. Anne or other project maintainers can review Jack's changes in the pull request. They can provide feedback, suggest modifications, or discuss the changes with Jack. Once the changes are approved, they can be merged into the main project repository. So, by following the forking workflow, Jack can contribute to Anne's open source project collaboratively, even without direct push permissions.